Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is Daniel here with Capital Cars Productions. Here we have a 2005 Saturn Ion, and basically I'm going to be explaining the importance of the intake, and also I'm going to show you how to replace an intake. So first, starting with the importance of the intake. So for the importance of the intake, well, basically the intake is the thing that sucks all the air into your car. So if you have no intake, or you have a bad intake filter, you could be pushing air, but air with particles in it, like say like little bits of leaves or roads, like just stuff from the road. You could be putting that into your engine, so that is really bad. That's why you want to change your filter typically every 12 to 15,000 miles. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to change the filter. First thing you're going to need to do is you need to take off the screw that's connected to this. This is the intake box. So yeah, just need to take off that screw, and then we can get started. Okay, and now that that is done, this should be able to removed, but first what you need to do is come over here, and some cars have this, some cars don't. You just need to pop off these clips. Now, these should be, now I'm saying should because not all cars have them super tight. They should be really tight like these guys, but you should be able to pop them off. These guys are really rusty, but they're able to come off, so just pop them all off. So now I have them all off, and now I'm just gonna kind of like push it around a little bit. There are two things over here that are holding it still in, so you need to pull it out that way towards this way. Okay, so now I've wiggled it out, and now I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Now you have to notice that over here there are some sensors to make sure your intake is performing well, so don't unplug those, leave those in. So now we come to the air filter. Now you can see as this one was replaced very recently, so you do not need to change it, but if yours needs to be changed, go ahead and take it out and replace it. So just go ahead and pop it back on right here, and then go ahead and reverse those steps. So now you can see this intake is super tight and secure. It's okay if it's not perfectly secure. You can see this is moving around just a little bit, but that is how you replace the intake filter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.